pollinators are still in difficulties. We have to do more. We have to take more action, and we have to join those up better. There's a lovely concept in landscape restoration of 4 returns. So there's a return of nature, and there's a financial return, which in this case is the return of pollination service, the climate resilience it brings, and creating places that are really pleasant to live in and for people to visit. And then there's also the social return as we come together and make new connections to address a problem. And there's the return of inspiration and the return of hope. There's a work package around buzzing communities, and communities have been amazing. You know, they've done so much to date. We want to continue supporting all within communities who've been taking action, from tidy towns groups and local groups, to schools, to gardens, to sports clubs, to faith communities, to residents' associations. So we want to try and support them all better and bring them together to achieve that overall aim of pockets of nature every 200 metres in the landscape. We are delighted to launch a new All-Ireland Pollinator Plan for 2026 to 2030. And thank you to the funders who've made it possible.